Hi there, this is Alula LV. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and spending some of your time with me today. As always, I hope you're having a good one. I have a Fendace unboxing. I'm super excited for this item, and this is actually the first item I've purchased from any luxury designer collab. And let's get right into it. So I did open up the outer box, but I did not open up the packaging inside. And I was really eager. I received this box yesterday. I just wanted to see if I received the Fendace packaging because I know some people did not. One is a fellow luxury YouTuber, Ash. I'll link to his channel below. It's Ash Lux. And you can see his Fendace unboxing, but he ordered it from Fendi and just received the regular Fendi packaging. And even though it's not the end of the world, as I mentioned, I don't usually buy items from these sort of collabs. So I wanted the packaging, and I had to take a little peek to see what was in the box. So, oh my God, you'll see in a minute why I'm laughing. So here's the gift bag. Here's a little envelope. If you've seen these Fendace unboxings, yeah, these are the stickers. I've seen this on quite a few unboxings. They threw in some Fendi as well as the Versace Medusa stickers. So there's actually a lot in here. The Fendace sticker. So that's cute, this envelope. We'll set that aside. And then here's another envelope, I'm guessing with my receipt. This is the receipt, the return label, all that good stuff. That was in the bottom of the box. So we'll set that all aside. And I will show you why I was laughing. So let's take off the ribbon. Beautiful Fendace box with inside a Fendi box. So I don't know what's up with Fendi. Did they not order enough packaging for this collection? I don't know. What's going on, Fendi? Tell me. So it's not the end of the world, but you know, it's just a little nice added bonus to get the packaging. But it's nice to have the shopping bag and this little envelope with the stickers and a Fendi box. Oh, but a nice dust bag. So this is really nice. And let's open it up. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Okay, what do we have? Okay, so this is a tag with the item information. It's just kind of floating on top there. And here we go. Where are we? We're upside down. I purchased the 90 centimeter silk scarf in this beautiful pink and brown colorway. You can see with the classic Fendi FF in the background and the Versace brocade. I love this so much. This is obviously the front that I'm showing you. Here's the back. So you can see it's just the same design, obviously backwards, and it has the rolled edges. So here, I'll just show you. This is the back side. And I'm sitting closer to the camera now so I can show you some mod shots. This is just styled very simply as a scarf around the neck, folded in half as a triangle. You can see the medallion in the corner and all of the pink and yellow really well. I think it looks really pretty this way. This would be great underneath a jacket. You could also fold the triangle just like a zigzag. And I have the two long tails. And I really like the weight of this silk. I don't really have a lot of silk scarves to compare this to. It feels very soft and lightweight, but not flimsy, if that makes sense. I think this is something, a scarf where it's lightweight, but it's thick enough that you could style it and you wouldn't have to constantly readjust it throughout the day. So these are just a couple stylings so you can see how the colors show up. I think this is a really cute, really chic piece. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And as always, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.